All right, we're going to do fluency and vocabulary on the same video. So our fluency, Mr. Durham's class is having a party. To help get ready, Miranda is putting salsa into bowls. She has 1/2 of a gallon of salsa, and she has 4 bowls. How many gallons of salsa does Miranda put into each bowl? All right, so she has 1/2 gallon, and she has 4 bowls. So we're going to divide that into 4 bowls. To turn that 4 into a fraction, we can put it over 1. Now we're going to do our Kentucky Fried Chicken with a twist. So our KCF. First one, keep. We're going to keep that fraction as 1/2. We're going to change that symbol from division to multiplication. And we are going to flip that last fraction. Oop, I can't find a color that I like. No, not yellow. Flip that last fraction to 1/4. Now we're going to multiply straight across. Why do I keep choosing colors I don't want? All right, now we're going to multiply straight across. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 4 is 8. So our answer is going to be 1/8 gallon. So that's going to be 1/8 of a gallon into each of the bowls. Into each bowl. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the vocab. All right, so we're going to place a check mark over the object that represents a rectangular prism. So rectangular prism is going to have some rectangles. So if we have some rectangles, they're going to have all sides of rectangles. There's not going to be any triangles, hence the word rectangular prism, or the name rectangular prism. So which of these is going to look like this? Ooh, how pretty. So actually, this is not going to be, there we go. It's not going to be the sphere. It's not a pyramid. It's not a cylinder, so it's between these two. So this is actually going to be a triangular prism because there's triangles. This one has no triangles, so that means this is going to be the correct answer. That is all rectangles. So that is our rectangular prism. And that's it for our fluency and our vocab. Great job.